to Manning Park. We are going on an overnight camp away to do some overnight camping out there. Our first stop on our little road trip was Good Kid Coffee. I got a matcha and Bubba got an espresso tonic, and we both got little scones that we're eating. Oh, yep. I'm still eating mine. Okay, first sip. Not bad. Like a 7 out of 10, I would say. I haven't been getting very good luck with matchas lately, so this is actually kind of a win. So we just got to our campground here in Manning Park. We're staying at Sky View, which is actually an RV campground, but if you don't have an RV, you can also come. Yeah, our tent is right here, and then to our little eating space. And then the truck is over there. Bubba just put up the tandem kayak on the truck because we're gonna drive over to Lightning Lake. It's actually really warm here, but when you're sitting in the shade, it's not too bad. It's quite relaxing, but when you're in the sun, it's really warm, right, Bubba?
Yes.
Yes. So my parents were actually staying here from Friday to Sunday, and since they had one extra day, we actually took over the spot. So we're just staying for the one night. We thought, why not? You know, summer's almost over, you guys. It's August. We just decided that we would go out and do just a one night overnight camp. We saw that there was a little bit more parking out there, so we're actually just gonna drive there and hopefully find a spot. We just put the kayak and it's right above us. Hi everyone, we're on the water. We're kayaking right now. We're in a little tandem kayak. The lake is absolutely beautiful. Came from back there.
You do it.
What is it called? The aerofarmer? Dead.
Great job. Keep going. Oh, hey, you splashed me. You splashed me. It's okay.
We're gonna go towards the bridge and then see how we feel, because Pravi said that the bridge is the halfway point, so we'll try to get there first and then see how we feel, because it was quite windy earlier, but now it's not too bad. Just passed by the bridge, right, which is the halfway point, and now we're at the kind of end part of the lake here. Guys, look, it's a little beaver dam. Actually, it's not very little. They probably worked really hard to get that built. We're almost at the end of the lake here. Bubba's acting a fool now. Please stop, because Bubba keeps seeing fish jump out of the water, but I have yet to see one. He's seen like 4. And I'm at the front of the kayak. We're trying to stay really still and just, you know, because I know we'll see one. I'll report back if I do see one. I just keep seeing the splash in the end, but I don't actually see the fish jump out of the water. But I know they're jumping. They're taunting me here. What'd you say?
We're gonna watch Cars 2 tonight.
Okay. What are we having, Bubba?
We're having sinigang.
Yeah. Yes. It's getting kind of chilly now.
It is.
But we were out in the water earlier, and now
Hungry.
Yeah. Now we're starving from all the fish we saw earlier. Oof. She's looking good. So this is sinigang, and then we brought our own little. This is actually a DIY toyo mansi. Then we got rice. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. This is my little Filipino veggie soup. Cheers. We are at Cascade Lookout, catching the last little bit of the sunset here. It is beautiful. Bubba's making us a little hot chocolate. We're gonna play Catan and drink hot chocolate. This is the dream right now. It's currently 9:53 p.m. We're oh. Oh, kids. Love to see it.
Kids being kids.
It's so awesome. I remember being that small and going to camp. Yeah, it's great. Anyways, it's 9:53 p.m., almost 10 p.m. We're playing our first game of Catan.
Oh my gosh.
I think we're gonna change that and do first to 5 or best out of 5. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, we'll update you later. And it to catch my final move. I'm gonna expand. I'm gonna take the town hall. I'm gonna pay
Wait,
2 hours.
town hall. Oh,
So it's 4. So 1, 2, 6, 9. Were you so close? Oh, you were going for it as well.
yeah. I could have won last turn, but I didn't think that Bubba was gonna go for the town hall. I could have won that, but I wanted to. My plan was to go town hall, take her road, and then pick up 3. Hopefully she didn't win, and then take her knight as well.
So you were trying to be vengeful
I was trying to.
instead of just trying to win.
Yeah.
Mind you, he's lost like 7 games straight. Sorry. I might eat my words in a little bit, but we'll see. This is 1 out of, I don't know how many games we're gonna play tonight, but it's race to 5? What are we doing? Best of 5. So it's first to 3.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see.
I'll give her 1 more.
Okay. We just finished game 2. Bubba won. Yeah, he did well. He ended up taking my... What did you take? You took my road, huh? Well, no. First he traded with me. He took my rock that I was saving.
Okay, you didn't need to save it.
Okay. We'll come back to see who wins the next game.
Round 3. It's currently 1-1 and noodles. Okay, bye. So here's what happened. Here's my cards. And I have as much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 2 more. I was gonna take Bubba's knight over there and road. So I bought the knight. I was gonna take her knight and I was gonna take her road. But then Bubsy was like, man, I wasn't paying attention. I could have won. I was gonna buy the town hall. And then we looked down at her hand or at her thing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
She won a long time ago. But she
We
wasn't.
bought the settlement. I think I was really enjoying it. It was really hot.
You gave me a false hope. Like, oh yeah, I got that one. I thought I had her. So silly. Okay, bye-bye.
Cheers.
On to round 4.
It's officially 11:39 p.m. and I'm your winner. Great game, Bubsy. Yay, Cassie won. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! All before midnight.
Okay.
Okay. Good night. And eggs. Good morning, everyone. We have the ultimate camp breakfast here. Cold rice, scrambled eggs, and spam. That's Poopsies there. Thank you. Oh, and coffee. Instant, to be exact. Yeah, the best.
Hope you go black.
We are all cleaned up and ready to go now. Say bye-bye. Thanks, Manning Park. Thank you, Skyview Campground. We'll see you hopefully next year. Bye. So we're about to do the lightning loop, which will take us around Lightning Lake here.
No, we're here. We're gonna go here, around, cross the bridge, and then come back. I don't think we're not gonna go all the way around.
No. We're just doing the quick one.
Okay, we're doing a little Bubsy fit check. We have a shirt, shorts, shoes,
and braids by Kezi.
braids.
Oh, top and bottom are from Lulu, and then my Solomons.
Oh, Solomon. Hello.
We just crossed the Rainbow Bridge. It's on that side there. People are jumping off. There's some people kayaking as well. It's really nice out here. Anyways, we're gonna do the rest of the loop now. We just finished the hike. It was actually only 3 kilometers, so it wasn't that long. We thought it was going to be a lot longer, but we cut through the Rainbow Bridge and we didn't do the rest of the lake. So we just did the lower part of the loop. We've got all of our ambience, a little kettle, the scale. Nice. So first step is ice, and then a little tonic water. And then our aeropress espresso. Nice. And then a little bit more tonic. And that right there is my favorite summer drink. Summer coffee drink.
To keep the ice down.
Cheers. Don't.
Try.
That's good.
I might do one for myself.
Nice.